After transitioning to new or web Outlook version, are you looking for the Find Related message feature? No worries, I got you. In this video, I will demonstrate and talk about the advantages of the group conversation feature. It performs slightly different than the classic version. Get ready to explore, experiment, and execute effectively. Okay, so I have navigated to Adele's inbox, and for the sake of training, notice that I've already, selected my Find Related message in this conversation, and so it has found my messages for me already. A couple things I want you to notice that whenever you use that feature, all it's doing is creating a filter using the conversation command. Also, when it filters on that subject line, each of these emails contains all the trailing messages. So if I click on this response here, again, notice that I have all of these messages. And that is the reason why you have to use the cleanup conversation later on in your folders, because you have duplicate messages when you start to file these away. So let me show you the difference and the advantage of the group conversation feature actually in New Outlook or Outlook for the web. So I have navigated to Adele's account on Outlook for the web, and I've pinned this email so I can have easy access to it. And it's already have group conversation enabled because it is turned on by default. When I look at this message, all of my content is already here. So it will find all the messages in all the folders and will have them listed here. Now, anything that is not tagged remains in your inbox. So notice this arrow. It's letting me know that Adele sent the message and also replied to Weber. She sent another message and received a message from Nestor. Now, a couple of things I want to show you. If I click on the first one, that's the latest message, and it's highlighting the entire conversation. I can perform any actions that I want to the entire conversation. The other thing that I want you to notice is how it's just giving you a preview of the previous messages. And if you want to look at the details, all you have to do is just click on it. So if I click on it, now I can see the entire message. Again, it just keeps it nice and clean and, reduce some of the clutter, if you don't want to see those other messages. If you like this information so far, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Microsoft tricks, tips, and news. Now let me show you how to enable the feature. Click on the View tab, select Conversation, and again, by default, it should already be turned on, but you can easily change it to show each message separately. If that's what your preference is, that's quite all right. There's another setting that I want to show you when it comes to when you're deleting an email from a conversation. So let's delete a message. Let's take the one from Alex and hit delete. Notice that it's showing me that it's deleted. You have the option to choose if you want to show deleted items when you're grouping your conversations or not. And let me show you how to enable or disable that feature. Click on View Settings and type in Message. Now notice I get a lot of settings here. I just happen to know that it is saved under the message organization. Let's scroll until we see it. And right here, it says, do you want to see deleted items in your conversation? You have the option to show or hide that message. You can also file away a single email away into a folder of your choice, or you can file a entire conversation. Just that easy. You can also use the find email from sender feature in the new Outlook and Outlook for the web. Just right click on the sender and you will see find email from this sender. I just jumped over to the new Outlook just because it is slightly different. If you right click on a sender, you have to go to advanced actions, then find email from this sender. So hopefully that Microsoft make these the same so you don't have to second guess, how this feature works. Now, go work your magic.